Hey guys, it's Icky here, and I thought I would do a different kind of video this time because, well, yeah, I'm bored. I have no games to play. Well, anyway, so a couple nights ago, I told my mom I need a new alarm clock because mine is kind of, it's not that good. So she, she got me one off Amazon. She said she ordered a Pokemon alarm clock. Yeah, this isn't a Pokemon alarm clock. This is what came in the mail, and it looks pretty not legit. So I thought it would be funny to maybe just do an unboxing of it. So, yeah, okay. So first on the back we got color change digital alarm clock. Yeah, this is real. This is actually happening. Glowing LED color change alarm clock. It's yellow, then blue, then pinkish white, and then turquoise kind of. Is that what Okay, let's just go and open it up. Okay. Oh. Money shot. Oh, okay. Money shot. Oh. Okay. What the? Okay. Oh. Well, this is it. This is the alarm clock. This is the color change LED light digital alarm clock. Has a, what is this? It's got a cable. It's wow, these instructions are very well put in it. Let's see what this is. Get out of here. Okay, display activities. Open the battery compartment gently. Okay, yeah. Let's go get batteries. Batteries. What? Okay. Was this AA? Slide the small cover out. Oh. I'll need batteries. Okay. Open the battery compartment gently. Battery compartment. Do you slide this thing out? Okay. Open the... Yeah, I need to... Okay. Open the battery compartment. How do I open the battery compartment? What? How? Oh, I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. Oh, okay. Oh, it does need batteries. Slide the small cover out. Is this the small cover? Oh. Oh no. Remove the insulating paper. Okay. No, that probably wasn't supposed to happen. Let's put those back in there. Okay. Slide this small... Yeah. Does it need batteries? Where's the... It needs batteries. And what it... This is really playing with me here. It looks like AA. Is that AA to you guys? Wait, let me see. AAA. I'm wrong again. Once again. AAA. Alright, AAA. Oh! It's a AAA. It's a AA. We needed 4, right? I think we needed 4. Do I have pockets? No. Can you guys hold that? Yeah, thanks. Ugh. I can't even see in there. Alright guys, I am back with the AAA batteries. I didn't have I know all you people with OCD out there, sorry about that. We just gotta put them in. How do you put these in again? Flat side. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I put in the batteries, and I don't know. Okay, so remove the insulating paper, place the covers back. Put this back on. Back. Oh. How? Is this it? Okay. This is it. Okay. Okay, what do these buttons do? Oh. It's lighting up. This is the color change part of it, I guess. Oh, it went away. Oh. Okay. It says on. Is it on? I can't tell if it's on. I don't know. Why did it come with the cable? Well, I guess that'll be put to use sometime, but what? Why does it have a cable? Let me read this. You know what? I don't care. That's just the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.